walking away when the pressure shows. But love was never made that way. It's built one choice at a time each day. We've seen sunshine, we've seen rain. We've held each other through the pain. Every season, every scar made us stronger than we are. Brick by brick, day by day, that's how forever finds its way. Hand in hand, heart to heart, that's where forever starts. Built to last, not just for a moment, not just for today. Built to stand when the strong winds blow. When the hard times come, our roots still grow. No matter what tomorrow brings, love is more than diamond rings. Built by faith, built on trust, we were built to last. Time has changed the way we see what's important, you and me. Not the things that fade away, but choosing love again each day. Every promise, every prayer, every burden that we share. Side by side we learned at last, the strongest love